Elevate your coffee experience with a homemade mocha that's incredibly easy to create. Start by collecting your ingredients: steaming hot coffee, velvety cocoa powder, sweet sugar, luscious milk, and airy whipped cream. In a small saucepan, combine 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add a splash of water to transform it into a smooth, glossy paste. This is where the magic begins. Slowly stir in 1 cup of milk, heating it gently until it froths, releasing an irresistible, rich aroma that fills the room. Next, pour in a cup of your favorite brewed coffee. Watch as the dark, rich colors blend beautifully, creating a stunning visual in your cup. Give it a good stir, and don't forget to crown it with a generous dollop of whipped cream, piled high like a fluffy cloud. Can you believe how simple that was? This mocha is indulgently rich, creamy, and bursting with flavor, making it feel like a luxurious treat crafted right in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this delightful recipe, hit that thumbs up and share your own mocha creations in the comments. Subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes, and let's keep the brewing adventure alive. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.